Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be showing you guys the newest item we have to offer for the Tacoma. There's the official liners, which is going to be for the 24 models and up. It's going to be the driver's side passenger and of course the back seats. This is going to be for the double cab, which is the big 4 doors. In the future date, we're going to bring some for the other models. For now, it's only going to be for the double cabs. I'll show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, so now we have them all laid out. This will be of course your driver's side. You guys can tell it has the side grooves here, which will go towards your door exit or entrance, whichever you want to look at it. Driver's side. Passenger side, of course, you have again the rails that will lead on the outside. We also have indentations right here that shows which door on which side it goes on, so you'll get a rough idea where exactly it goes. And of course, we're going to have the back piece, which is going to be one solid piece. This one I can tell off the bat, it's a little formed due to, of course, being in the box for a few weeks now, you could say. But again, that's a simple fix. Just leave it in the sun. The sun will do its work. If you don't have heat where you're at, with any heater, with any hair dryer, it'll also help you out to give you back the mold you want to have it in, or put it on the vehicle, and eventually, within a few hours or days, it'll settle in. So, if you have this issue, it's a very simple fix. Pretty much the same thing I just repeated on this one. We're here to repeat on the driver's side. Again, the channels in line. This here is to have your foot resting, so it won't slip. When you're driving along the road, you get tired. Sometimes your foot tends to slip off. Now with these, it's going to stay right there in its place. Again, it has 2 locking tabs. Tacoma has them, so you just simply lock it in. It'll stay in. It won't go anywhere. And if you're worried that it may still slip, again, the spikes come in and it'll do its job. It won't go anywhere. We actually challenge you guys to actually try to move them, make them slip with the spikes and the locking tabs engaged. The last thing, of course, the passenger side. Again, as I mentioned in the last 2 mats, the end channels, make sure everything stays within. Everything, as far as we call it a reservoir, isn't stay within this area. You don't have to worry about it ever going into your carpet, onto the back rails, into the front. Full coverage. Alright guys, so that sums up pretty much the demonstration of how the mats look and how they look now inside the vehicle. As you guys could tell, and again, as we challenge you guys, look at our mats, look at other manufacturers, see who has better coverage. If you find someone else that has better coverage, give us a call. We'd like to hear about it. Again, these have full sun protection as far as for 24 and up Tacomas. So we're sure you guys will be happy with the performance and how they lay out. If you have any questions, any issues, give us a call always. We're open Monday to Friday. Our call centers from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. They'll answer any questions you may have. And again, if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. It does help us bring you future content.